Hey Crafty fam, it's Coco Loco here bringing the best tips, tricks, and tutorials to make having fun affordable. And in today's video, we have a DIY duo for you today. It is a spider cake stand and a spider popcorn bowl. So comment down below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and let's get into it. So the first step in this project is to spray paint our fishbowl vase that we got from the dollar store. And we're going to paint it with a Krylon gloss black spray paint from Amazon. Next we're going to spray paint our plates, also from the dollar store. And I painted the underside of the plates because I knew I was going to be putting food on top and I didn't want the paint touching the food. Next, we're going to take our pipe cleaner. It's 6.5 foot, so you want to fold it in half once, and then fold it in half a second time. Now you have 4 legs, and then you're going to take those 4 legs and fold it in half again, and this will give you 8 legs. I don't know the measurement exactly, so I guess you can do the math if you want to measure it with the ruler, and then you just cut the ends, the bent folded ends, with scissors on both sides. And that will give you your 8 legs that are the same length. Next, we're going to take our wiggly eyes that we got from Michael's, just like the spider legs, and we're going to hot glue them to our base. And it only takes a few seconds. You just want to press firmly. Make sure the eye stays on. And then we do the second one right next to it. And there's your eyes. Next, we're going to put on our legs. We're going to hot glue each leg down at the top of the vase. So you kind of want to bend each leg to give it that like jointed spider look. And I kind of think it looks like a Z, but what you want to make sure, since this is pipe cleaner, it's very narrow, you want to make sure it does stick properly to the vase. And then I bent the joint there, and then you bend the little feet at the bottom, and it kind of makes like a awkward C shape. Once you have the first leg down, it's pretty much just repeating the process, gluing one end to the base and then making the joints of the rest of the leg so it looks like spider legs. And you want to make this symmetrical because if you have too many legs on one side, it's going to look kind of funky. So you want to make sure that you have 4 legs on each side of the vase. Next, you're going to want to glue all the way around the rim with hot glue, because we're going to place our large plate, which I think was about 10.5 inches. You're going to place that on top to complete the project. So you want to make sure you have enough glue all the way around the top of the vase so you can secure the plate to the top. Then you take your plate and place it down and just press firmly so that way the glue can adhere. And this is the final look of our cake stand, spider cake stand. Next, you're going to want to glue down your candlestick holder. I painted those black with the same Krylon spray paint. And you're going to want to put glue around the rim of the first candlestick. And then take the second candlestick and flip it upside down. And you want to line up the lines of each candlestick so that they're symmetrical. And you just hold them together, and it should work pretty quickly. Then you want to glue down your spider basket that you got from the dollar store. Now these come in different colors. I chose black because my candlesticks were painted black, but they also have orange and purple. So if you want to use those colors, that you're more than welcome to. Next, you're going to take your spider rings that you get from the dollar store, and you're just going to cut off the ring part. And then put a dot of glue on the candlestick base and glue down the rest of your spiders. There really is no rhyme or reason to how you glue these down, and I really didn't keep track of how many spiders I used, so it'd probably be about 10 or 12 spiders, and you just randomly place them on the candlestick with hot glue. You want to make it look like the spiders are climbing up the vase, so I would put them in a position where they're going up instead of like side to side. Next, we're going to take our spider webbing, and this is also from the dollar store, and you're just going to take this and take off the spider rings that are on here. I didn't want to use those because they're black and they didn't stand out. So I took the webbing, stretched it out a little bit. You don't have to use all your webbing, just enough to make it look like a spider web. You want to drape this over your basket a little bit, keeping the center of where the basket meets the candle holder open, so that way you can put your bowl. Now I tried to use a large bowl on the left for my project, but it wasn't working out, so I used this package of beverage napkins from the dollar store and glued that down as a base. I guess the bowl was just a little too tall and narrow for the basket. So then I glued down the napkins and then I put this garden basket plate that I got from the dollar store also as a backup. And I glued that down to the napkins and that ended up working out nicely. And then I just adjusted my webbing accordingly to kind of readjust for the bowl, size of the bowl, and then that's basically the project. So if you guys like this and the other project, hopefully you'll consider to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.